Just thought I'd follow up on that little video I done when we dispatched the gummies and show everyone that they're nice and well kept. They've been kept on ice. You can see our snapper, nice clean eyes. They're nice and cool to touch. We've got them on a nice cold clean surface. I'll show you a technique that we use to clean the gummies. First of all, we start by gutting them with a sharp knife. See, that one's been eating crayfish. Pretty common diet for them out here. It's full of crayfish. But we get them down to this stage, we get all that blood out, the little bit that's left. Give them a good hose out. Get them nice and clean. Keep the surface cool. Then we take all the fins off. Belly flaps. Then we run the skin off through here. Makes it easy to skin later. Ganders here. Just like that. And then they just simply fillet them like a normal fish. That's one side. Take the backbone out. You can see there, the close up on that, there's no blood, beautiful clean fish. I actually nick the blood lines on the inside of the spine. You can see that, there's none left in there. That's what we nick when we go cut them at the base of the tail there. Just there, you can see I've nicked that blood line and in the middle, and then cut their gills and they bleed out. Beautiful, and they're still nice and cool. It's simply a matter of skinning. Skin that, there's still, oh no, I've got it. Nice end up with the cartilage of the petrel fin left on there. But I scun that one off, and then with the belly flaps, split them down the middle. Skin them. There we go. Primo Port Fairy flake. Thank you.